Alright, yo, what's going on, boys? We are back after New Year's. We took the first trade of 2025. We have won 6 trades in a row as of right now. And I'm not going to lie, every single one has been on the paper trading account literally because I told myself I'm not trading Christmas week and I'm not trading New Year's week. I'm not trading these 2 weeks, and I've been absolutely cooking, which honestly I'm not mad about it because once I get back on the live account, I feel like I've learned so much over these last 2 weeks that I'll be able to use once I get back to that live account, and obviously we'll see what happens from there. But first things first, I want to go over Nasdaq, the NQ today. I didn't end up taking a trade on Nasdaq today. It's because we never ended up coming up and taking out this high right here. We had this pre-market high set up, and we never ended up taking it out. But if you do pay attention, I'm going to switch this over to Russell now. The price action is all pretty similar. We had a move down, then we had a move up, and then we had another leg down. But if we switch over here to Russell, we ended up actually taking out this high right here, and which we did not take out that high on Nasdaq. So based off that, I knew that I wanted to trade this pair instead of the pair. But regardless, we ended up having this giant move up. I drew out equilibrium based off that. I waited for at least a minimum of a 1 minute break of structure, which we ended up getting with this candle right here. And then we did have this original price coming out of this order block right here, and then we actually had price retrace back into this original order block right here. I almost wanted to take an entry right here. I did not end up taking my entry right here because we ended up coming down after that. Notice we formed a 1 minute fair value gap. Based off that, I literally drew my price at the 50% mark, and based off that, I was able to enter. I ended up catching this 1.8 today. My price target right here. Why is Dan targeting this area? This is a 5 minute inverse fair value gap. It's not the biggest trade. It's not the greatest trade. But at the same time, it's something that works, and if I'm able to do this day in and day out, I am, and I will be a profitable trader. I'm just super excited to get back on the live account. Super excited for all this holiday stuff to be over. It was a fun time seeing everything, and definitely learned a lot of stuff. But really excited just to get back into things, and that will be in the next week or so. And honestly, today was not the easiest day trading at all. Like, today was a pretty difficult day for sure. Definitely, I wouldn't really even consider this an A plus setup right here. I would put this more in a B plus, just because we made that move down and then that move up. I would have rather just had market just come up, sweep that high, and then make that move down, But regardless, if you were targeting this low right down here, this market open move, you would still be in this trade. But if you would have just targeted like the 75% mark, or just to fill this fair value gap, I mean, it would have played out. So whatever, I'm not gonna hate on whatever trade you guys took. Going bullish today was another option, obviously. Let's take a look here. Price ended up making this move down. I mean, did we take out full pre-market lows? No, we did not. But I mean, actually, shit. We did. We actually did with this market open candle that ended up going straight down to the downside. We ended up sweeping out that sell side liquidity. So based off that, I mean, price ended up going further down, further lower. Had multiple fair value gaps. I actually wanted to catch this initial 5 minute retracement for price just to come back in and then look to go long up to this point. Which obviously didn't end up happening because we never had that retracement until I was already in my short position. Well, other than that, I mean, today wasn't terrible. I'm going to go over my notes. I literally called this out from the morning. Pre-market, I'm pretty bearish today. I want price to sweep out the pre-market high. Price has already swept a major point as well. Oh, yeah, let me go over this. So I had an extra Confluence. If we take it to the 4 hour, we actually ended up taking out this high as well, which was Mondays or Tuesdays. So that was the week's high as of so far, and then we ended up taking that out. So that was just an extra Confluence that we're gonna go lower, and then we were also filling this 4 hour fair value gap right here as well. But yeah, everything ended up working out today, kind of in my favor. I'm pretty happy about it. Price action wasn't the greatest. We had so much chop the second I entered in this trade, bro. This was this was a little bit of a tweak show. I'm not even gonna lie, but regardless, I mean, pretty simple day. We'll be back on the charts tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys were able to learn something. I have seen like a couple comments of you guys saying like for me to help you boys out, bro. If you guys want some help, bro, I do have a free Discord server I run with my mentor. If you guys want to join up, it's literally in every single YouTube video. It's just in the description. But yeah, and that's completely free, by the way. Like, I'm never gonna tax you guys for anything. So yeah. Other than that, though, see you boys on the next one.